Today, I'm going to be unboxing the February CoraCreaCrafts Vintage Craft Box. So stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Tracy and this is A Girl with Plans. I want to thank you all for joining me today because I have another unboxing video. We're just going to get right to it. This is a CoraCreaCrafts Vintage Craft Box. They have, I believe there's like 3 different types of subscriptions you can do with CoraCreaCrafts, 2 or 3, I can't remember. This is the cheapest version. This is the monthly version as well. So I did a 3-month subscription. I did cancel because you have to, your 3-month, I'll just, whatever. What is holding this? Oh, hold up. There we go. I did cancel it, but I'm not sure if I canceled it quick enough. So I'm not sure if I'm getting another 3 months or not. So we'll have to wait and see if I'm getting another 3 months or not. It's just, I don't have much room for more crafting supplies at the moment. So I was going to take a break, but we'll see what happens. All right, y'all. So this one is the Alice Craft box. Like I said, this one is the February one. I'm not going to try to save the paper. It's pretty paper. I save it and then I don't use it. I could totally use it in one of my journals, but I don't. So here we go. This is a quick look. I'm going to take everything out. So here we go. We have stickers. We have papers and some stamps. And I think these are stickers. You have 42 stickers. We have PET tape and washi tape. I'm going to go ahead, take all of the packaging off, and then we will do a quick flip through of everything. All right, so we have everything in front of me. I am super excited about this box, y'all. This box, I think this box, plus I have an Alice in Wonderland themed sticker book that I got from Temu, plus I have an older one from Happy Planner. I think I might do an Alice in Wonderland themed reading journal for 2026. So you might not be seeing some of these things anytime soon. So yeah, here's everything out there. They do have a digital journal club, and it is $5 a month, of course, because it's digital, it's printable, or you can like save the elements if you do digital like planning or anything like that and use some of that. But $5 is not bad. I might actually do it for this. I want the Alice subscription because you get about 10 printables and it's only $5. So I might do that. Let's start here. So some of this is going to be like not as Alice in Wonderland themed. Some of these are going to be like an interesting take on Alice in Wonderland. This one, so everything that's in the box is here. And this one is the English Tea Party Vellum. So this is not going to be Alice in Wonderland. This is going to be more tea party theme. And like you could see what it looks like the vellum. It's very heavy vellum. So this would be really cool. I need to start using this. I need to start trying my hand more like a little bit of, I guess, junk journaling type stuff without really using junk, but like trying like the layered look and more of like a creative journal, not necessarily a journal that I'm going to be using to write in, but just more to like express creativity. So I have a couple of journals that I'm pretty sure I want to do something like that in. So I might have to use these pretty soon. These are really pretty though. If you're into like the vintagey, not with like the Bridgerton type thing, this will definitely kind of fit those vibes as well. There we go. All right. And then so that was 10 pieces. Okay. And then the next set that we got is just your paper. So in every type of box, you usually get a paper pack, stamps, stickers, usually PET tape and washi, and then other things. So this one we got some vellum. And then we got some like die cut stickers. But you usually get paper packs in most of the boxes. So let's take a look at these bigger ones first. I guess this is like A5 size. So definitely like this is, obviously Alice in Wonderland, but definitely like a little take on it. I kind of like the kind of darkness of it. Okay, so those are the bigger ones, and then we'll go to the smaller size, which I don't know what size this would be. It's just smaller than the A5. Oh, those are 2. Yeah. Thought that one was like unusually thick. So if I use these in my reading journal, I'm going to need to practice like layering because I think these could be really cool, like layered. And then the final part of this paper pack are these really cool windows. There we go there. All right, so that was the paper pack where you get 15 pieces in this paper pack. All right, let's do the stamps. Let's pull out the white background because I think that makes it a little bit easier. There we go there. Super cute. Love it. Like I said, the stamps are one of the reasons why I like the subscription. There aren't a lot of subscriptions where you get the stamps, the PET tape. I like the mix of stuff that you get. Aside from the themes, I just like the mix of stuff. And then you get one sticker sheet. So here we go here. Alice's Tea Party. Now this I will not be using in combination with my reading journal. I will probably be using this sometime this spring, like in my planner or my other journal. This is really, really pretty. This is really nice sticker paper. It feels not necessarily vinyl-y, but kind of like a little bit like that. So this is not like the washi stickers, but these are pretty good quality stickers. I'm not going to try to rip it, but it feels like it'll be a little bit harder to rip. Okay. We'll do the washi. I try to keep these unboxings pretty quick until I have to start a roll of washi, and then it like takes me forever. But here we go. So this is like your tea party, tea like themed washi. This is really pretty washi. So again, there's a few things in here that are Alice in Wonderland, kind of geared toward that. And then there's some that is kind of more to like the vintagey tea theme. This is really pretty. All right. Should we do stickers or PET tape? Let's do stickers. So you get 42 stickers in this cute case. All right, so I'm just going to fan them out on the desk. All right, so it looks like you get everything in like just regular matte sticker paper, and then you get also everything in this matte transparent. So I guess these are your Alice's, like your another Alice. And then you get kind of your semi, what you think of when you think of Alice in Wonderland, you know, the rabbit, the Mad Hatter, the Queen. I don't know if she's just a tea party person, maybe. Maybe I need to rewatch the movie. There we go. Super cute. Super unique. I think I say that with every box about how unique everything is. Putting all the Alice stuff on top. I don't know. I probably should put that on the bottom because I'm going to be using that last. It's going to be hard to keep it for like, well, I'll probably start decorating. I'll probably start working on my 2026 reading journal toward the end of summer because I don't like to rush through that. So it'll just be sitting for like, you know, another 7 months. All right. I'm excited about this. This looks cool. So this is pre-cut stickers. Some PET tapes you have to cut. Some of it you do not. So they are glossy. Even though the pet tape, like the background has matte on it, these are glossy. Let's bring out my old used. Now I have to turn it sideways to unravel it, but I hope that's okay. So I'm going to pull it to see where it ends. And then we'll slowly pull it back to wrap it up. But you can see it has like the really cool... I like these images. I think some of these images are what is on the journaling paper, the digital journaling, and that's why I want it. Okay, so this is where it starts over. So you can see you have like these like vintage looking cards. Then you have, I guess, a Joker. Is that what you... And then a like evil fairy Queen of Hearts, maybe. Some mushrooms, the Mad Hatter. Another like fairy. These are really cool looking. I think this pretty much determines that I'm going to buy the digital paper set because I think I want some of these in full size. And $5. It's not bad at all. All right, guys. So I think that's it. I went through that faster than usual. But that was fun. I'm extremely excited about this. I knew I was going to be excited about this. Like this one in January was the reason why I did the 3 months. So like I said, I did put a pause on the subscription. I'm just not sure if I did it early enough. So we'll have to figure out. I don't think I've been charged yet. So we'll see if I get any more or if I just have to resubscribe at a later time. But this was fun. I do recommend this subscription box. You can always see what the next, I believe, 2 months are going to have. So it also says it here. So next theme is the power of opposites. That could be really interesting. So they do tell you what the next month's theme is. Like I said, I just think they're fun. I think they're unique. I have like scrapbook paper, but I don't have like this kind of like decorative paper like this. So I really like these. I'm going to start using them more, I promise. I used the one from the December box in one of my reading journals, and I loved it. So I'm really excited to use it. It's just I use a lot of big journals, so I have to figure out how to make it work in my bigger journals. So there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please smash that like button. And if you have yet to subscribe, I hope you would also consider hitting that subscribe button while you're here. That is all I have for now. I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. Until next time, bye.